Yes, friends, how's your life going on? Today we are going to talk about WH sentences or WH question words. Okay. So let's pay attention to WH question words. Okay. WH it means what, where, whose, whom, when, and why, how. Okay. So these are WH question words. Okay, so we will use it with tense. Okay, so let us see. If we talk about present, past, and future. Okay, so we will talk WH question words regarding present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, so if we talk about simple present tense, WH plus do or does plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay. So after WH we have to use do or does. Okay. Suppose that if I say that तुम स्कूल कब जाते हो या तुम कॉलेज कब जाते हो. Okay. So when do you go to college? Okay. When do you go to college? Okay. तुम कॉलेज क्यों जाते हो? Okay, so I can use here why. Why do you go to college? Okay. If we talk about present continuous, okay, in present continuous the syntax will be WH plus is and are plus subject plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay. मैंने कहा कि तुम स्कूल या तुम कॉलेज क्यों जा रहे हो? तुम कॉलेज क्यों जा रहे हो? Okay. So why are you going to college? Okay. सीता क्या कर रही है? Okay. So क्या what is सीता doing? So after WH in present continuous tense we have to use is and are plus verb first form ing. Okay. Next, if we talk about present perfect, syntax will be WH plus has or have plus subject plus V3rd plus object. मैंने कहा कि आपने चाय कब पी है? Okay. So when have you taken tea? When have you taken tea? Okay. So in present perfect we have to use has and have uh, verb third form. Okay. Next, if we talk about present perfect continuous, WH plus has or have plus subject plus being plus verb first form ing plus object plus sense of form. Okay. मैंने कहा कि आप 2 घंटे से क्या कर रहे हैं, आप 2 घंटे से क्या कर रहे हैं. What have you been doing for 2 hours? What have you been doing for 2 hours? Okay. So WS sentence regarding present tense. Now we will take WS sentence regarding past tense. Okay. Okay. Now we'll pay attention to past tense. Okay. WH plus did plus subject plus verb first form plus object. मैंने कहा कि आपने डिप्लोमा कब किया था. ओके. When did you do diploma? When did you do diploma? Okay. So in simple past tense, okay, we have to use did after WH. Okay, and we have to use verb first form. Next, past continuous. WH plus was over plus subject plus verb first form ing plus object. हाँ, मैंने कहा कि कल आप क्या कर रहे थे. What were you doing yesterday? What were you doing yesterday? Okay. Next, let's talk about past perfect. In past perfect, we use had, WH plus had plus subject plus V3 plus object. Okay. मैंने कहा कि आपने खाना कब खाया था. ओके. या आप खाना कब खा चुके थे. ओके. So when had you had lunch or food? Okay. When had you had food? Okay. Here, okay, you must be thinking that we are having two had here. Okay. See, this is WH. Okay, no problem at all. This is had. Okay, no problem at all. Subject you, there is no problem. Okay, we third had. Okay, see, खाना खाने के लिए हम we use take and have. Okay, what is the second form of take? Took and taken. Okay, What is the second form of have? Had and had. Okay, so we can use have or we can use take. Okay, so I used have here. Okay, so there is no need to get confused. Okay, had, okay, it is working as this verb, right? Have, had. Okay, so I used third, verb third here, had. Okay. Next, past perfect continuous. WH plus had plus subject plus been plus verb first form ing plus object, or we can use here plus since of 4, plus since of 4. Okay. हाँ, मैंने कहा कि आप 2 दिन से कहाँ क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? आप 2 दिन से कहाँ क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? Where had you been playing cricket for 2 days? Where had you been playing cricket for 2 days? Okay, this is WH, this is had, this is subject, been, verb first form ing playing, and object, and since of 4, I mean 4 and 2 days. Right? Next. Future tense. Okay. Now we will talk about future tense. Okay. Simple future. WH plus will or shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay. मैंने कहा कि तुम चाय कब पियोगे? तुम चाय कब पियोगे? When will you take tea? मैंने कहा कि सीता बीटेक कब करेगी? When will सीता do बीटेक? Okay. Next, let's talk about future continuous. WH plus will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. मैंने कहा कि सीता कहाँ से बीटेक कर रही होगी? ओके, वेयर विल सीता बी डूइंग बीटेक फ्रॉम? Okay. Where will Sita be? Sorry, where will Sita be doing BTech from? Okay. Or you can also write in this way that from where will Sita be doing BTech? Okay. Next. Yes. So WH plus will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb first form ing plus object. Okay. So सीता कहाँ से बीटेक कर रही होगी? Where will Sita be doing BTech? From, or we can write from where will Sita be doing BTech? Next, future perfect. Okay, WH plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object. Okay. सीता कहाँ से बीटेक कर चुकी होगी? ओके, when, sorry, where will Sita have done BTech? BTech from. Okay. Where will Sita have done BTech from? Okay. Or we can use from in the front. From there. Okay. Okay. In future perfect, we have to use will have. Sorry, will, shall, and have. Okay, WH plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus verb third form plus object. Okay, next. Future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. WH plus will and shall plus subject plus have been plus verb first form ing plus object plus since or for. मैंने कहा कि आप 2 दिन से कहाँ क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे? Where will you have been playing cricket for 2 days? Where will you have been playing cricket for 2 days? In future perfect continuous, we have to use will, shall, have been, and verb first form ing, since and for. Okay, WH will you have been playing cricket for 2 days? Okay, so this is all about WH sentences, WH question words. Okay, we discussed WH question words regarding present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, this is all about WH question words. I hope you must have got knowledge. Thank you very much.